Hi all. So here we will discuss about Java arrays, right? Arrays basically it's kind of a frame, right? And using this array we can store the values, right? So we can naming the array with positions, right? So if we take this array, uh, we can simply say its length is 4. The reason is it has 4 positions. Here are 4 positions of this array. So length 4 array. So we name this position. At the first position we can name it as a 0th position. The second position we name it as a first position. So array indexes are start with 0, right? The second position means, actually the third position means array index 2, and the fourth position is array index 3, right? We can store some values like if we just assume this is a int array, right? So if it is an int array, we can store int values like 10, 20, 30, 40, likewise, right? Okay, so now we will create this array in Java, right? uh, Here you can define an array. If it is an integer array, you can define it as an int, and using these bracket signs we can say it's a array. That means integer array, right? I will name it as int arr equal new int array, right? So once you put the semicolon here, you need to uh, define the length of the array, right? In our example it's length for array, right? We have defined length for array here, right? uh, then we can assign some values to that positions, right? So int arr, that I can say it's 0th position is equal 10, right? At the 0th position we put 10, and uh, respectively we store 20, 30 and 40 for uh, other positions respectively, right? So I just copy this one, right? There are 4 positions. I put 1, 2 and 3 here, right? 20, 30 and 40, right? Okay. So this is the way you can define the array, right? So arrays, you can save string arrays as well, right? There may be object array, right? For example, if it is a string array, so you can say it's a string. Using this sign we can say array, right? So I str arr, my name, array name, right? And we can say new string array, and after that you can put curly braces here. At the initial point you can give some values to that array, right? So for example, I will give kind of names like John, right? Then you can say Nimal, and you can say Patel, right? Likewise, you can give some names to that string array, right?